Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change a country or region on App Store on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to change your country or region so that you can simply use any of the app which is not available in your country or region, or if you are moving to another country and you want to change your region or country, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So there are two methods available to change your country or region on the App Store. So first method is that you have simply open the App Store here, and here you have to simply click on that profile section, and here you can simply click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to wait for some time so that a new kind of interface is available. It will verify by your Face ID here, so you have to simply click on country or region here, and after that all of the countries will be available. For example, if you want to change it to the United States, then you have to simply select the United States from here, and after that you have to simply approve the terms and condition for that country or region. So you have to simply click on continue. As you click on continue, you have to simply click on continue, agree terms and condition. After that a new kind of interface will be available. So here you can simply provide the payment method. So here you can simply select none. After that you have to provide your billing address, and after that you can provide all the detail, and after that you can simply click on done, and your country or region will be changed to that country. So in this way you can simply change the country region from that method. If you want to use the next method, which is that you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to simply click on name or Apple ID, and after that you have to click on media and purchases, and you have to click on view account, and after that you can simply find the option of the same option which was available in the previous method, which means your country or region will be available, and you can simply select the country or region option. After that you can select the country and agree the terms and condition, providing the payment method, and after providing the payment method you are set off and your country or region will be changed. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.